In today's video, we are diving into something that's been blowing up in the live streaming world, which is the Bigo Live app. We will talk about how the app works, its best features, and whether it's actually beginner friendly. And if you are thinking about downloading Bigo Live or becoming a streamer on the platform, make sure you watch this video till the end. And as always, let's begin. Bigo Live is a popular live streaming platform where people can broadcast live videos, watch streamers from around the world, chat in real time, send virtual gifts, and even make new friends. And it's widely used for entertainment, gaming, streaming, music performances, and social interaction. If you visit the official website, which is bigo.tv/show, you will notice that at the bottom, you will see the Open App option. If you click on it, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the App Store if you are using an iPhone, or on the Google Play Store for Android users, where you can download and install the app. Make sure you are installing the latest version so you can unlock the updated tools and features. Remember, when downloading, make sure you are not using a VPN or a proxy because that could interfere with the downloading times. Once the app is installed, all you have to do is click the open button and you will be forwarded here. You can create an account by using your phone, using your Facebook account, your Google, Twitter, 𝗕𝗏𝘃𝗃𝗏, and Apple. And of course, you want to make sure that you are at least 18 years old to proceed. Click the confirm button. Bigo Live will ask a series of questions to tailor your experience on the platform, because this also helps collect data to improve the service. And if you're not comfortable answering, you can safely skip these questions, but of course, it is highly recommended that you answer as many as you can. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to the main homepage of the Bigo Live app. Now at the bottom, you will see different sections. And let's begin with the live section. This is gonna be the main feed of the app. You will see ongoing live streams from people around the world. You can scroll to discover streamers, tap any stream to watch. For example, let's say we have this, and you can send GIF to anyone right here. Okay? Or if you want, you can comment or follow the host. It's up to you. So think of this as the watch and explore section. And then after that is going to be the party. The party is for multi-person live streams or group hangouts. Multiple hosts can join one stream, often used for games, group chats, or events. Viewers can interact with everyone in the room. It's like a virtual group call, but public and interactive. Now, the exciting part is the center button, which is going to be the record button or the go live button. Now, all you have to do is tap on it to start your own live stream. You can choose between a solo or group streaming. You can add a title, you can add tags, you can scroll on the settings, you can choose your own avatar before going live. This is where you become the streamer. Now, after that is the chat. This is essentially your messaging hub, private messages with other users, notifications from streamers you follow, system messages like rewards or alerts. It's similar to a social app inbox. And then you have the Me section, which is going to be your personal profile and settings area. You can view, you can edit, you can check the followers, fans, and stats, access wallet, settings and achievements. This is essentially your account dashboard. Now, I'm going back to the main homepage because what I'm going to show you is one of the exciting ways to earn money here in the Bigo Live app. The Creator Center offers two sections. Number one is the Live, which is going to be the main tool for people who go live or want to become official hosts. Number one is going to be the live services. Under the live services, you have the check my events. It shows the campaigns, contests, or challenges you have joined. And of course, you can track your progress, rankings, and rewards right here like beans, bonuses, or exposure. Now, if you want to check your own event, you can do so. Click this yellow button at the bottom. All right, if you do have. Now, I'm skipping that because I am going to show you the host level. The host level is going to be your rank as a streamer. Now, the more you stream, it increases the based on activity, viewers, gifts received, and consistency. Higher levels is equivalent to more perks, visibility, and bonuses. As you may notice right now, I am on level 1. And if you want to check the grading rules, you can do that. As you can see right now, these are going to be the golden bean income. You want to make sure to achieve the broadcast time and number of fans. You also have the option for upgrading reward right here. Click the more to get more information. Now, if you want to check your current status, click the My Grade. As of now, we don't have any fans, we don't have any bean tasks, and we don't have any broadcasting tasks. So the upgrading reward is going to be free gift and a bullet coupon. So that the more you stream, the more you get income, all right? After that is apply for the official hosts. With this, it lets you apply to become a verified official streamer. This is where you can earn money and maximize the Bigo Live app. It lets you apply to become a official streamer, and of course, you will get your monthly salary and guaranteed income. You get more exposure from the platform, access to all exclusive events, requiring consistent streaming and meeting performance criteria. After that is if in case you have account violations, it displays any warnings or penalties if you broke platform rules. For example, you might have posted something inappropriate content, or you have violated copyright, spam, or fake engagement. It's important to monitor because too many violations can lead to bans. After that is going to be the Host Academy. This is a training section for streamers teaching you how to grow your audience and of course content ideas, monetization tips, and it is a good starting point if you are new to live streaming. And then you have the customer service. So this is going to be the support and help center. You can report issues, ask questions, payment options, submit tickets. This is where if you are stuck anything, if you have more questions, you just go here. And then you have the real name authentication. You need to identify your verification information, usually with ID, which is needed for cashing out earnings, becoming an official host, and helps prevent fraud and ensures account security. Now, after that is going to be the agency section, which is ideal for teams and management. This is the part for people who want to manage streamers or maybe join a team. If you want to apply to become an agent, it lets you create your own agency. So as an agent, you recruit streamers like hosts, you help them grow, you earn a percentage of their income, and acquires approval and sometimes proof of experience. If you want to become an agent or an admin, you can simply join an existing agency instead of creating your own. You will help manage hosts under that agency, and roles may include coaching streamers, monitoring performance, handling recruitment, and a lot more. You can also access the Bigo Live through the web version. You just need to sign in to your mobile device. If you are really interested to grow your presence online and turn your passion into profit, register an agency on Bigo Live and unlock the exclusive rewards designed to help you succeed. All you have to do is provide all the information needed. Do you want to be a host or an agency? Your first and last name, your Bigo ID, your country or region, your preferred language, of course your email, your phone number or WhatsApp, and of course the reason why do you want to be the host or agency of Bigo Live. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.